Hey guys, today we're going to be changing the oil on my Honda HRX mower. A couple things. I picked up this tune-up kit for 15 bucks. Comes with oil, an air filter, and a spark plug. So everything we need is right in the box. First thing we're going to do is you're going to need a container to catch the old oil. So I have this, or you can cut up an old milk jug. That works great too. So if you take the dipstick out, it's also used as your fill plug. So we're going to take that out, set it aside, and then we're just going to tip the mower out and dump out all the oil. Alright, so once that's done, fill it right back up. The capacity is 0.58 quarts, but we're not going to need that to just service it. We're only going to need about a half a quart. So this bottle comes with 12 ounces, and that's going to be plenty. We're just going to check the level. Level's good, and we're all set.